there, Nancy here at Porsche Colorado Springs, coming at you today with this beautiful 2026 Cayenne Electric Mystic Green Metallic. But that's not what we're here to talk about. I'm at the rear of the vehicle because that's what we're here to talk about. And no amount of inclement weather or wetness on my hair is going to keep me from giving you an informative video because we are professionals here in Colorado Springs, okay? So you see the rear end of this beautiful Cayenne Electric. When we open up the back, you're going to now see, come standard by the way with this, electric folding rear seats, okay? Now, never fear. If you have a little white-haired mother who you can't see over the headrest and you started to fold these down, okay? You don't have to fear crushing your mama because the seat will stop automatically as soon as it detects that something's back there. Could be a puppy, could be a kitty cat, I don't know, could be, God forbid, a child in a car seat. We've heard stories. Could be your teenager napping. It could be, again, your white-haired mama who you can't see over the headrest. But you don't have to worry because I have practiced this on my coworkers, and I can tell you that I did not crush any of them, okay? So it will stop automatically and then it will continue to go down when you clear it. It will move the seat in front of you out of the way should it need to do that, which is awesome because you don't have to get back out and around and readjust everything, and then you can put it back up. And then of course we can do the other side as well. No more manual stuff. Electric power folding rear seats. The benefit is you don't have to do stuff. You just push a button. How great is that? You don't have to walk around the other side and manually wait around and do it. And you don't have to worry about crushing anything or anyone that might be in the back seat. I don't know, you might have a pound cake for the church social. Wouldn't that be terrible if you spent all that time making that and then you crushed it? Okay, so there's all kinds of benefits that I can think of for those. And again, the professionals here at Porsche Colorado Springs, we can't wait to sell you your new Cayenne Electric. Thanks so much. Have a great day.